Hey Tui, welcome back. Jeepers, it's going to be so exciting when everyone gets to come to school. Dad's snore. Zzz. Or if it's like the snoring of other people I know, it's by Heather Lovich, illustrated by Donovan Bixley. Dad's snore. Now I wonder if you can use these pictures to help you make a little bit of a prediction, because I see a dog and a cat here. They don't look like a dad. It's very interesting. Now, do you notice that there is an apostrophe there? Now, that apostrophe means that whatever is here, whatever item is here, it belongs to this person. So it's Dad's snore. He owns it. It's his. I'm sure Mum's not very happy with it, but it's Dad's snore. So that apostrophe and the S simply mean here, in this context, that the snore belongs to Dad. Dad had a terrible snore. Stop that noise, said Mum. I was trying to think of a really cool snore noise and I couldn't get one. Dad's snore rumbled along the hallway. Stop that noise, said Anna. The snore bounced down the stairs. Stop that noise, said Ryan. The snore rolled round the corner. Stop that noise, said Grandma. The snore roared over the cat's basket. Meow, yelled the cat. The snore boomed out to the dog's kennel. Howled the dog. I wonder if you can predict what's going to happen on the next page. Dad woke up. Stop that noise, he yelled. Isn't that funny? The only reason they were making the noise was because Dad was snoring so loudly. Obviously, if you've been paying attention, you know what the sound is. Rags. When Rags the dog wants me to go away, or is all that he needs to say. And then the action is where you're pretending to be a puppy, pulling a rag with your teeth clenched and shaking your head saying, "Arr!" So you can see from the picture what she's doing. Great work. Let's see if we can get the music going.
When Rex the dog wants me to go away, is all that he needs to say.
Great work. Okay, so our sound of this, today, is one of the things that I really like to do is I like to remember like a pirate. Okay, so to write it's, again, we start at the top, we go down, up, and a hook, or over, depending on how you want to say it. I always think of it as a hook. What we're looking for when we form it correctly is that there is space to stick a triangular wedge in there. Okay, so down, up, and over. Down, up, and over. Your turn. Make the sound. So come up here, start the purple, because it's only a half letter. Down, up, and down, up, and Your turn. And make the sound. What we're looking for is that it fits between these two lines neatly. Okay, so is our sound. So we've got a few items in the classroom that we can use. The first one, it's going to fall over. It's most of the way. Is it'll stay. Is a rainbow. That's right, rainbow. My rainbow is very special because it has lots of maths on it. So on it has tens frames with dots. So we know that in the red rainbow, 5 and 5 make 10. So 10 is what we want the rainbow to equal. And then we have 6 and 4, and we've got 6 dots and 4 dots. And if we actually turn it round, you can see that it actually has tens frames on the other side. So each of the pieces of the rainbow add up to, whoops, 10. And we can see that there. Rescue the rainbow, bit the dust. There you go. Okay, so we also have a really cool picture of a racing rabbit carrying a ribbon. There's lots of r's in that sentence. And I know I've used this tin before, but this tin is really good because it has a reindeer on it. Okay, so now we're going to look at our heart words. I'll put them up. You make the word. I said. He going. Went. She. The. Oops. Of. My. To. And finally. Was. So let's read them. I said, he going, went, she. My, the, he, of, to, was. Well done. Remember to pause it so that you can have a go at reading them without support.